Welcome to Cooking Couture Atlanta, where cooking is sexy. I'm your host, unapologetically Ardra, super sassy Sinette. Let's make it happen. Hey, this is Ardra Sinette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Look at this omelet. It came out amazing. It's absolutely delicious. And let me show you how it all came together. You helping me make an omelet. You helping me cook. Okay, so when there's nothing in the refrigerator and you're trying to be impressive, listen, for real, this is all I could find in the refrigerator. How about he has no food? And I'm trying to be all impressive. So let's see what I can do with some eggs, onions, a little piece of jalapeno, and some cheese. What can a joker make happen? All right, so when I cracked my organic eggs, I let them, I seasoned them. And I did a little fresh crushed ground pepper and then this buttery garlic seasoning. And I heated the skillet. It's a non-stick skillet. I put a little grapeseed oil actually in the skillet. And then now I'm going to add my ingredients, fold it over, do a little cute garnish, a little cheese on top. And we're going to set this little joke off. Okay, look what I just found in the pantry. Okay, I'm about to make me a little southwestern omelet here. I'm gonna fry up this turkey. I'm about to do something. I got this. I'm about to make this happen. So I got it together. I think I got it all the way together. And I am about to make a really dope omelet here. So I'm putting some jalapenos. I put some cheese in there, jalapenos, onions. I really like onions. And then I had already pre-cooked some turkey. It's kind of like lunch meat turkey. And I put it in there. I'm gonna put a little garnish and stuff on top. But I just like rub this in. This is Rotel. I found this in the closet, in the pantry rather. All right, so we got it somewhat together here. It's gonna be so pretty. Get you some onions, a protein, some cheese, tomatoes if you can find it, and some jalapenos. Mix that stuff together with a little seasoning, always some cream, and you got it made. This omelet came out absolutely beautiful, and it was so tasty. Thank you. Now, let's make it happen.